Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share Telegram QR code for a group. First, open your Telegram. Then what you need to do is go to the group that you would like to share. So in my case, I'll share this one. Tap the name of the group located on the top part of your screen. And then tap on subscribers. From here, you'll have an option to invite via link. Tap on that. And then on the lower right part, you'll see a circle with 3 dots on it. Tap on that. And then tap on Get QR Code. Now, if the person you would like to share this with is nearby, they can just instantly scan the QR code, or if not, then you can tap Share QR Code to any social media platforms that you want. You'll also have an option to save this onto your phone so that anytime you'll have your QR code for the group. And that's how to share QR code on a Telegram group. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.